Welcome to my video for the Perfect Spice original seasoning. Now this spice says that it is good for steaks, stews, fish, chops, soups, eggs, salads, and a special Bloody Mary. Well, I'm going to be doing it today on chicken thighs, and it tastes delicious. It has salt, spices, dehydrated garlic, chili, soybean oil, and citric acid. It has no MSG and it's non-GMO, and it's very heavy. This container actually weighs 6.5 ounces, which, 8 ounces is a half a pound. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle it very, very liberally on this chicken. Okay? And then I'm going to take these chickens and I'm going to vacuum seal them in a vacuum sealer pack, and I'm going to cook them today in my sous vide machine. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I really don't know what time we're going to be eating, and this will hold the chicken for many, many hours at a constant temperature, and I believe I'm going to set it at 165. Now, at that point, when we do decide to eat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hot pan, and just throw these chicken thighs on one side and heat them up real fast and kind of make a crisp crust, and then we're going to eat them. So I will be back in a couple hours and show you probably the next step. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, I now have the chicken sealed with the seasoning in my vacuum bags. And what I'm going to do, I'll show you real fast, is I'm going to put them in my sous vide machine. And you can see I have it set right now. And this will keep my water at a constant temperature. Right now it's cold, but it will keep it at a constant temperature, 165. And again, then I'll come back when we're going to eat the chicken and show you the last step to how I'm going to eat my chicken and how delicious it's going to taste. Thank you. Okay, so I've decided to add some potatoes and use my Perfect Spice seasoning. So in this bag right here, I have a whole bunch of russet potatoes. They're cut up and they're peeled. And I have the seasoning and just butter. In this bag, I have also, it's actually 2 really large potatoes in each one. This one I'm using this Perfect Spice seasoning, and some sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil that I have preserved myself. So we'll see you in a few hours. Okay, so I've taken the chicken and the potatoes using this marvelous Perfect Spice seasoning. I've taken them out of the sous vide machine. As you can see, I smashed the potatoes a little bit and I browned them, and I browned the chicken thighs, and they look gorgeous. So I'm going to eat them with my husband right now, and I'll get back to you and let you know how they were. Thank you. Real quick, I just want to show you that other bag of potatoes. This is the potatoes that I used, the Perfect seasoning, and the sun-dried tomatoes that I preserved myself in olive oil. But what I do want to tell you is lunch was perfect. We added the Perfect seasoning onto our broccoli. So we had the potatoes with the Perfect seasoning, the broccoli with the Perfect seasoning, and the chicken with the Perfect Spice. So the Perfect Spice is the Perfect seasoning, and it worked great on everything, and it tastes terrific. So I want to thank you for watching my video.